Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Low.
Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how I do my two ponytails featuring Klaiyi.
Hey, never needed nobody. These niggas needed me. Hey, yeah.
Good Rich King, yeah, I'm thinking about citing that.
I was blind to this for niggas, but now I see. I never needed nobody. These niggas needed me. They talking down on me, that's how they treated G. How you getting money, but got time to beef with me? Hey, all these broke folk can't stand them. I got this shit in a chokehold and I ain't letting up. Got my rollie on with my double cup.
DJ Low King, what up?
Never can be rich enough. I got big racks. Hot out my coupe, walking in the sacks. Yellow Zannies got me on my damn mind. Brand new drop top for the summertime. All this jewelry turn your bitch into an eater. And I'm plugged in like a space heater. New ball, man, I got that fever. Whatever your plug is charging you, I got it cheaper. Hey. I live life without a care. Hey. My friends Cartier. Hey. These folks was never there. Hey. I've been ballin' for years. Hey. I was blind to these fuck niggas, but now I see. I never needed nobody, these niggas needed me. They talking down on me, that's how they treated G. How you getting money but got time to beef with me? Yeah. All these broke folk can't stand them. I got this shit in a chokehold and I ain't letting up. Got my rollie on with my double cup. I'm still jugging cause I never can be rich enough. Ay, I do too many drugs. Ay, bought so many Zan, forgot who I was. Ay, can't show no love. Not even the friends, not even the blood. Ay, them Percocets relax me. I told them I'm the plug, can't tax me. Let her ride the dick like a taxi. Ay, I'm the boss, so I sit in the backseat. All these bitches want a flare. I told them it's enough to share. Cloud killer shooting in the air. My niggas aiming at your hair.
Okay, then now I'm going to start adding the hair in. This hair is really soft and silky. I really like it. The only problem is it doesn't really hold a curl. But maybe it's because it's like so super silky. Okay, so right now I'm just combing it out. And I'm going to take my needle and wrap it around my ponytail like twice and then sew it. And after that first initial one, I'm just going to wrap it all the way to the top and then sew it once I get to the top. And then repeat the same steps on the other side. The only difference is that once I get to the top, I take a little piece of hair from like the bottom and then I wrap it around so that you can't see like the track. I did double them just so I could fit the most in without having to cut it. And then that's like pretty much it. After this, all I did was like curl the other side of my ponytail to match this. This one I curled to match the other one since it was curlier. And then that was it. And I tied it down and then I went to work.
Like a riddle. Tell her treat my dick like a tree, baby girl, just climb. I got a lot of money, but I don't got a lot of time. Hey, these pussy niggas rats, they ain't got no spine. They ain't changed, they don't do it for the money, niggas do it for the vine. Smoking on pine, roll it, but I'm never on time. Got junkies in the line. Hey, niggas pig like swine. Hey, drinking lean like wine. Hey, just like Tony, I grind. Hey. Niggas lost, niggas blind, hey. Pouring bottles of the dime, hey. Fresh like I went to the prom. No squares in my circle. The money is blue, the phantom is white, the codeine is purple. Move, she watch me like a commercial. Hey, that mug got me geeked up like Urkel. Me and my bros tight like a virgin. That right, that mug got us slurping. Hey, smoking OG while I'm serving. Hey, I ain't never going broke again, no matter how much I spend. Hey, walk up on this blow like 10, cause I get it by the tens. Hey, flipping on the broke but again, and they know my clips extend. Hey, these bitches niggas wanna see me lose, but all I ever really do is win. Hey, my jealous is red like an apple. have a lot of time. There's a lot of bitches want me. Saw you waiting in line. But another nigga like me, baby, you ain't never gon' find. So baby, don't waste your time. Stepping on the brick like a mine. Yellow green like lime. Rolling on the cushion and shine. Got bars like shine. Baby, roll up, get high. The limit of the sky. I don't want a piece, want the whole pie. Getting bread like rice. No squares in my circle. The bunny is blue, the phantom is white, the codeine is purple. She watch me like a commercial. Hey, that mug got me geeked up like Urkel. Me and my bros tight like a virgin. That's right, that mug got us slurping. Hey, smoking OG while I'm serving. Hey, I ain't never going broke again, no matter how much I spend. Hey, walk finally blow like 10, cause I get it by the tens. Hey, flipping on these broke boys again, and they know my clips extend. Hey, these pussy niggas wanna see me lose, but all I ever really do is win.
Huh? Woo. Look for huh? Ooh, ooh. All I wanna do is count that money though. All I wanna do is count that money ho. All I wanna do is count that money though. Bouncing on my dick like she a bunny ho. Brand new Nina on me with a telescope. Staring at my pockets, you a funny hoe. All I wanna do is count this money though. Bouncing on my dick like she a bunny hoe. Brand new Nina on me with a telescope.